Dear passengers, welcome to London Luton Airport. The local time is 10 minutes past 3 in the afternoon. For your safety and passengers around you, please remain seated with seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign will be switched off and the aircraft will come to its final parking position. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments as items may be falling down and cause injuries, and check the seat pockets in front of you with any personal belongings that you may have brought aboard with you. Thank you for complying with our no-smoking policy, and our last reminder that smoking will be permitted only in the designated smoking areas outside of the terminal building. Today's captain and the entire crew would like to thank you for choosing Wizz Air UK45 today, and we look forward to having you again aboard soon. We wish you a pleasant stay here in the United Kingdom, and for those of you on a journey, welcome home. Thank you and goodbye.